My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Audi A5. This vehicle has done just under 48,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On the first page of our screen, we can access our key features, which include media, smartphone integration and navigation. On the second page, we can access our vehicle settings, phone apps and our favourites. And on our final page, we have our users, purchases, messages, legal and help. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our 3-zone climate control, which includes heated seats on either side. If we press our drive select button, we can switch between individual, efficiency, comfort, auto and dynamic. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.